Story of Lakhya living in a village, Mankota of Dibrugarh district, Assam. Lakhya lost his first 3-day born child. Don't know the reason yet, but now he is happy and have high hopes as his wife is pregnant with the second child. Like every day, they had dinner and go to sleep. At 2 a.m., Lakhya's wife gets labor pains. Lakhya panics what to do. He runs and calls his sister from the neighborhood. They discuss and she suggests him to call ambulance immediately. Lakhya runs back to his sister's husband, calls an ambulance and borrows some money. In some time the ambulance arrives. They go to the local PNC. She is examined and has to go for a cesarean. She is referred to another hospital in the city. The hospital in the city refuses and refers to another hospital. The roads are bumpy, she is losing blood, quivering and shouting with pain. Finally they reach to the third hospital. Too much of blood loss and multiple referrals, she is gone with the second child in the womb. This is the real scenario in Assam. Assam has highest maternal mortality rate of 480 deaths per 1 lakh live births, with only 21.3% of women taking full ANC.
So this was the story of Lakhya, and since our research is like very big, so we are not going through the research again, but we would like to tell you we went through the qualitative research and we went to the places Belkona, Katingpahad, Avengaon and 4 tea gardens of Dibrugarh district, meeting Bhodpura, Bhojpura and Mankota. During the whole ethnographic study, we interviewed 33 users, which included pregnant husbands, doctor, ASHA workers, and most of the people were low income and low literacy rate was there in the group. From the all ethnography studies, we came to some main keywords which we are working on. So the first was maternal health, family support, awareness, pregnancy education, shyness in the women, anemia, emergency, food, antenatal care, NRHM, that is National Rural Health Mission schemes, and the ASHA. So the project aims to educate women about prenatal, postnatal issues, care, problems and precautions. The NRHM schemes, like people should take the benefit of the schemes available to them by the government and use them. Try to strengthen the family support by involving the husband and helping the women to gain confidence in the maternal issues, remove their shyness and have a happy pregnancy, and overall to instigate a better service and pregnancy experience in Assam.
So now we have our new service called Chetna, and we have designed this and planned this from our study, whatever finding we got, and we thought this is the most needed thing, and we'll explain you further. So these are the colors available for the women to choose. Once they register themselves, they can pick up whatever color.
So what is Chetna?
It's an interactive device which helps women to understand about the NRHM protocol, about the pregnancy issues, about the food and other various things.
So now let's understand how a woman with Chetna undergoes registration and the other features of Chetna.
Woman shows a symptom of pregnancy, puking, no LMC and hence meets Asha. Asha tells her to come to hospital and go for pregnancy test plus registration. She goes to hospital with husband and meets the doctor and proceeds for pregnancy test. After the test comes positive, she is registered under NRHM scheme by the hospital authority. Hence they are happy and both discuss about it. Now she is introduced to wide range of Chetna device and registration numbers. Choose your registration. The husband is signed as guarantor and the Chetna is given to the woman with a unique registration number. Now, doctor takes the detail of her and her husband plus previous medical details for reference. Now, Asha explains her each and every detail of Chetna usage and even the uniqueness of the registration number. Now, the Chetna keeps her well connected with Asha and doctor and helps her explore NRHM schemes too. She has to go for test on 31st of the month. Her Chetna starts beeping on 28th of the month. Come for checkup on 31st. Waiting. As she presses OK, it goes to the ANC screen indicating the 2 checkups and Mamuni she has to get. The audio explains the immunization in detail, when to take and why. She gets aware of the terms and reason for taking the test. This is for TT. You have to take 2 doses of it. This is the first dose. Iron tablets are very important during pregnancy and every woman must consume 100 tablets minimum. After getting aware, she decides to go to hospital and hence discuss with her husband about it. She goes to hospital the next day with her husband. As there is a long queue in the hospital, she waits there for her turn. In the meantime, she meets a lady named Sheila. She too was waiting in the queue. Being in the queue for same context, they start discussing. They exchange information about pregnancy and even explores the features present in the Chetna. Sheila has explored about anemia, hence tells her about the hookworm and even other details. Then they talk about food, the newly discovered locally available food items happily.
So this was the example. Now that is how the Chetna works when it comes to users. Now the background, how the system works. Chetna is a smart and intelligent device. It is connected to the healthcare center and the emergency services available, the ambulance and all. It helps the doctor to keep track of the previous visits, suggestions given to the women on the basis of that. The entire medical report can be viewed by the doctor. It also helps the emergency services to act at the right time in the emergency situation. Like if a woman is having a high BP and she needs to go through a cesarean, the mobile can be scanned in the ambulance and they can view the entire medical report. Now the product details. The Chetna contains 5 buttons like ANC, food, anemia, emergency and the delivery methods. It educates about the analysis scheme. It has a national registration number which is easy for migration for the women. She can go anywhere and with the national registration number she can be identified about her medical reports and all. And because husband is signing as a guarantor, so in a way he is getting involved since the starting. And it helps the user to be well connected with doctors and ASHA. It acts as a social status for women and there is an easy information flow. The inside details, the audio and video are interactive. We are not using any written details because most of the users are illiterate. We are using local language, that is Assamese, and we are using color coding so that they can interact with the device easily. And we have an icon set which we have evaluated from the user.
So this is our device which basically helps women to understand what is antenatal care. And then it gives you information about emergency services. You press that and you get the information about emergency. You have unlock button. You press that and then you can switch on the phone and then you can make an emergency call. You have emergency number 108, which is you just dial that and it calls your ambulance. Then you have other information like anemia or something. If you want to know about pregnancy, you can go into that and you can get the information on that. Then you have anemia, which tells you like precaution and how you can avoid anemia and what food you need to eat. And then you have food item like what local food is good for pregnant women. You can get the information from this pressing this button.
In the interface, the unique identification number is provided. There is a date notification like when she has to go for checkup. And there is a lock icon. This is basically if the woman by mistake presses 108 or something, she can keep the phone locked. And the date time indication.
আপনার মোবাইলত দেখাই থকা ছবিৰ চিন টিপি আপুনি আপোনাৰ বিকল্প বাছি লব।
So when women by mistake she presses any button, this audio comes like she can unlock and use her phone. So when she unlocks it,
সেউজীয়া বটন দবাই বিকল্পটো বাছি লওক।
so if she selects ANC, then the screen comes. And when she selects first ANC,
পৰীক্ষা কৰোৱাৰ সময় আপোনাৰ বাবে হৈছে 31 জানুৱাৰীৰ পৰা 5 ফেব্ৰুৱাৰীলৈ। আপুনি এই নিৰ্দিষ্ট তাৰিখৰ ভিতৰত আপোনাৰ পৰীক্ষা কৰক। এই আপোনাৰ হ'ব লগা শিশু আৰু আপোনাৰ স্বাস্থ্যৰ সুৰক্ষাৰ বাবে দৰকাৰী হয়। এতিয়া আপুনি প্ৰথমটো এনচিত আছে। ইয়াত আপুনি ৰক্তস্ৰাৱ টেষ্ট পৰীক্ষা আৰু পেচাবৰ পৰীক্ষা কৰাব লাগিব। এই তিনিটা পৰীক্ষাৰ বাবে জানিবলৈ আপুনি আপোনাৰ মোবাইলত থকা সেউজীয়া চিনটো টিপক। আপোনাৰ ৰক্তস্ৰাৱ পৰীক্ষা অত্যন্ত দৰকাৰী। যদি আপোনাৰ ৰক্তস্ৰাৱ বা বিপি বেছি আছে, এই গম্ভীৰ পৰিস্থিতি ৰচিব পাৰে। এই ৰক্ত নোপোৱা অৱস্থা ৰচিব পাৰে যে মাতৃ আৰু শিশু দুই জীৱনৰ বাবে আপত্তিজনক হ'ব পাৰে তথা অপাতকালীন অৱস্থাত চি সেকশ্যন হোৱাৰ সম্ভাৱনাও বাঢ়ি পৰে। এই আপোনাৰ আৰু আপোনাৰ শিশুৰ বাবে অত্যন্ত দৰকাৰী। আপোনাৰ গৰ্ভত্ৰ শুধু হওক। আগৰ স্ক্ৰীনত যাবৰ বাবে হালধীয়া চিনটো টিপক অথবা প্ৰমুখ স্ক্ৰীনত যাবলৈ ৰঙা চিনটো টিপক প্ৰথম ANC প্ৰত্যেক মহিলাৰ পেচাব পৰীক্ষা কৰাব লাগে পেচাব পৰীক্ষাৰ দ্বাৰা এইটো জনা যাব পাৰে যে মহিলাগৰাকীৰ কিমান চেনি আৰু প্ৰটিন মাত্ৰা আছে এই সব গৰ্ভধাৰণৰ বাবে নিয়মীয়া আৰু জৰুৰী পৰীক্ষা হয় এইটো গৰ্ভধাৰণৰ সময়ত আপোনাৰ আৰু আপোনাৰ শিশু সুৰক্ষাৰ বাবে বহুত দৰকাৰী
So it explains about why urine test is necessary, and then it also indicates like how you can navigate by using the color coding and all. The next is if she selects the blood test.
আপোনাৰ RH ফেক্টৰ এনিমিয়া যেনে সংক্ৰামক ৰোগ আৰু এন্টিবডিজ ৰুবেলা আছে নেকি যিয়ে জনমত ক্ষতি কৰিব পাৰে জানিবৰ বাবে টেষ্ট পৰীক্ষা কৰা দৰকাৰী
In the same way, blood test also is explained. So this is the first ANC, and all the ANCs that has been followed is according to the analogy schemes. In the first ANC they have 3, so we have provided 3 in the first ANC. Now when she selects the second ANC, she has 3 options, that is TT, and she has to take iron tablet, and she will get money. The money they get is known as Mamni in their language. So every woman gets Mamni 500 and 500. So first Mamni she gets in the second ANC. Then comes the third ANC. And the third ANC she gets the second TT injection, and then again the 500 rupees. And the fourth ANC there is like the 3 previous tests that she has gone through the first ANC, and there is an addition that is albumin test. So we just show the content of the albumin test.
এলবুমিন পৰীক্ষা প্ৰটিনৰ মাত্ৰা জনাবৰ বাবে কৰা হয় এইটো সন্তান জন্ম হোৱাৰ আগতে কৰোৱা অত্যন্ত জৰুৰী কিয়নো যদি প্ৰটিন কম হয় তেন্তে প্ৰিমেচিয়ৰ সন্তান জন্ম হোৱাৰ আশংকা থাকে এতিয়া আপোনাৰ খাদ্যৰ বিষয়ে জন্ম যাব সৰ্বপ্ৰথমতে সকলো গৰ্ভৱতী মহিলাই বেছি পানী খাব লাগে আৰাম কৰিব লাগে আৰু মনত ৰাখে যে তেওঁলোকে প্ৰটিন কেলছিয়াম ভিটামিন আৰু আইৰণযুক্ত আহাৰ গ্ৰহণ কৰিব লাগে ফলৰ ভিতৰত কল অনাৰস ডাবৰ পানী মধুৰিআম সেউজীয়া শাক খাব লাগে সৰ্বপ্ৰথমে সকলো গৰ্ভৱতী মহিলাই খাদ্যৰ লগত কমেও 1 চামুচ গুড় আৰু সঠিক পৰিমাণে কলডিল খাব লাগে তাৰোপৰি আপুনি আলু খাব পাৰে যিটো অতি সহজভাৱে পোৱা যায় আৰু যিকোনো সেউজীয়া শাক যেনে পালেং শাক মেথি শাক সৰিয়হ শাক ইত্যাদি ল'ব পাৰে চব্জিত লাও নিশ্চয় খাব আৰু পটল ভেন্দি ইত্যাদি খাব পাৰে সুস্থ সঞ্চালিত ৰাখিবৰ বাবে আৰু সঠিক ওজনৰ সন্তান হোৱাৰ বাবে নিয়মীয়া তিয়ঁহ আৰু বিলাহী খাওক গাখীৰ আৰু গাখীৰেৰে তৈয়াৰ বস্তু কেলছিয়ামৰ বাবে খুৱাওক প্ৰটিনৰ বাবে নিৰামিষভোজীসকলে নিয়মীয়া দাল আৰু আমিষভোজীসকলে মাছ আৰু কণী খুৱাওক কিছুমান খাদ্য এৰাই চলক যেনে কেঁচা অমিতা নাখাব মছলাযুক্ত আহাৰ নাখাব যিকোনো বস্তু ৰান্ধিহে খাব চাহ আৰু কফি নাখাব কিয়নো পাচন ক্ষমতা দুৰ্বল হৈ যায় আৰু ভোক কম লাগে
So we contacted gynecologist Dr. Geeta Gupta. She helped us in the content, food content, like what we were not to eat. So we did the content with the help of her. After that, the other information with about the sonography ultrasound, which is not in the analysis scheme but is necessary for the women to go through. So in this, we provide those information. Like first, we provide about information about the test.
ব্লাড টেষ্ট কৰিলে আপোনাৰ ৰক্ত প্ৰকাৰ RH ফেক্টৰ গ্লুকোজ পৰিমাণ আইৰণ পৰিমাণ হিমোগ্লোবিন পৰিমাণ শাৰীৰিক সামগ্ৰী সঞ্চাৰ হোৱা বেমাৰী ৰুবেলা টক্সোপ্লাজমোচিছ বাবে জানিব পৰা যায় যি আপোনাৰ আৰু আপোনাৰ শিশুৰ স্বাস্থ্যৰ বাবে অত্যধিক দৰকাৰী
Then as we found most of the women doesn't know about the cesarean delivery, so we included the content about delivery. In the same way, we have provided emergency in which after pressing the emergency button, she gets 4 options. You can call 108, 104 and her local ASHA, and in the same way the doctor. Now the heart rate.
The device has a torch switch. So it has a volume controller which controls the volume. Then it has a speaker. Then flashlight, the light switch. It has a device holder to hold the device. Then a headphone jack, and then a charging point. And the screen size is 240 by 320 pixels.
Because of the less time, we couldn't feed all the information but TT, and we have feeded we use flashlight. So we feeded that if she presses second button, then ANC gets selected, and then she selects first ANC using the green button as indicated.
first we did black and white testing. Whatever they could understand, we picked that and we created abstract and real form, and then we went there. We gave them to pick whatever they can understand. Then, because most of the women, they were illiterate and they were scared to even come for the test. So we decided we'll go with the color because it's more easy for them to understand. So we used some color.
And basically, by using color, most of the items of anemia and all they can recognize, because in black and white it's clear. So, like we tested with 7 users, initially black and white, then color, and then whatever the options choose, and on the basis of that, we decided these set of
These were the finalized items.
what they understood easily. So we are using these items from the mobile data. Finally, the conclusion. Through the proposed solution, Chetna, we just want to provide every woman with a personalized interactive device which completes the meaning of pregnancy and motherhood. It becomes a support to the family, when it as an advisor to the family to help support the pregnant women during the pregnancy cycle, and it acts as a support to the women to make them aware, confident, and move ahead with their happy pregnancy period. And finally, support to the NRHM, as they are providing a lot of services to the women, and in a way we want to support them